Hello dear students, welcome to the mathematics class. So here we continue the chapter arithmetic progressions. In that exercise 5.3, third main question, in an AP given a equals to 5, d equals to 3, a equals to 50, find n9 Sn. So here for finding n, use that is an formula, and for finding Sn again use the Sn formula. So let us find first, that is first find the n now using the n formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an how much are given? 50, which is equals to, so a 5 plus n minus 1 into d 3. So bring 5 to the other, that will become subtraction. 50 minus 5, how much will get? 45, which is equals to n minus 1 into 3. So now 45 divided by 3, which is equals to n minus 1. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 5s are. So 15 is equals to n minus 1. So n is equals to how much? 16. So n is equals to 16. Next, what we need to find out? Sn. Sn is equals to, what is the formula? n by 2 a plus an. Second formula, use the second formula because an they are given here. So it is better to use second formula of Sn. So which is equals to n how much now? 16 by 2 into a 5 plus an, how much is there? 50. So which is equals to 2 ones are 2 8s are into 5 plus 50, 55. So 8 into 55, how much you will get? 440. Therefore n is 60 and Sn is equals to 440. Let us see next. In that only second question, given a equals to 7, a 13 is equals to 35, find d and S13. Find d and S13. So here now, just use the A13, you will get the d value. So A13 equals to what is there? 35. So A13 what you can write? A plus 12d. So which is equals to 35. So now A how much is there? 7 plus 12d, which is equals to 35. So 12d is equals to 35 minus 7. How much you will get? 28. So d is equals to 28 divided by 12. So 4 3s are 4 7s. So d is equals to, what is the answer? 7 by 3. So now find S13. So here also use the Sn second formula because A13 already we know that A13 means like an. So what we need to find Sn formula, use Sn formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus an. So Sn how much now here? 13, because we need to find S13, which is equals to 13 by 2 into a, how much is there? 7 plus. So this will become what? A13. And how much is there? 13. So A13. So 13 by 2, 7 plus A13, how much is there? 35. So which is equals to 13 by 2 into 7 plus 35, 42. So which is equals to 2 ones are 221. So what you will get the answer now? So here now answer is 270. Sorry, not 6. So 210 next 273. So S13 equals to how much? 273 and D equals to 7 by 3. So here for finding this you can use the first formula also. But already A and they are given, so it is better to use second formula. So now see the next third question in this only. Given A12 equals to 37, D equals to 3, find A and S12. Here also see A12 they are given, we need to find S12, means this is like AN. So you can, for finding S12 you can use again Sn second formula. So now find A first by using this one. A12 is equals to 37. A12 what we can write? A plus 11D. So which is equals to 37. So now A we need to find plus 11 into D 3, which is equals to 37. So A plus 11 3 is 33, which is equals to 37. So now A, which is equals to 37 minus 33, how much you will get? 4. So A value is how much? 4. Now find S12. So S12 equals to what you can write? Alright, first formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 A plus A. So Sn how much? 12. So 12 by 2 into A, how much is there now? 4. Plus A 12 because n is 12. So 2 ones are 2 6 down. Now A 4 plus A 12, how much is that? 37. So 6 into 37 plus 4, 41. So what you will get the answer now? Answer is 246. So S12 equals to 246 and A is equals to 4. This is about third question. And let us see next question. Fourth one, given A3 equals to 15, A3 equals to 15, S10 equals to 125, S10 equals to 125, find D and A10. Find D and A10. So now see how to solve this such type of example. So what they are given? A3 is equals to 15. So A3 what you can write? A plus 2D is equals to 15. Okay, let us take this as equation 1. Next, use S10. So there you will get one more equation. So what you can write? S10, which is equals to 125 So now S10, what you can write? Wherever n is there, there 10. Means formula is n by 2. Means 10 by 2 into 2a plus n. Means how much? 10 minus 1 into d. Which is equal to how much? 125. So S10 means wherever n is there, there 10. So 10 by 2 to a plus 10 n minus 1 means 10 minus 1 into d, which is equal to 125. So now here 2 ones are 2 5s are. So 2a plus 9 minus 1, sorry 10 minus 1, 9 into d, 90, which is equal to 125. So now take 5 to the other, that will become division. 2a plus 90 is equals to 125 divided by 5. So 2a plus 90, which is equals to 5 1 the 5, 2 the 5 5 means 25. So let us take this as equation 2. Now these two are the pair of linear equations in two variables. So solve those two by either substitution or by elimination. So let us take here, I will use the elimination method. I want to eliminate a. So here what is the coefficient of a? 2 is there. But here what is the coefficient of a? 1 is there. So multiply equation 1 by 2. Now multiply equation 1 by 2. Multiply 2 into a, 2a plus 2 into 2d, 4d, which is equals to 2 into 15, 30. So write that equation now below this, that is 2a plus 90, so which is equals to 25. Now just subtract, this will become minus, minus, minus. So this will get cancelled. 4d minus 90. How much you will get? Minus 5d, which is equals to 30 minus 25. You will get 5. So d is equals to 5 by minus 5. So answer is d is equals to minus 1. So you got d now. Substitute this value of d in any one of these two equations. Substitute now. Substitute d is equals to minus 1 in equation 1. Okay, substitute, what you will get? A plus 2 into minus 1, which is equals to 15. So a 2 into minus 1 minus 2, which is equals to 15. Therefore a is equals to 15 plus 2, 17. So a is equals to 17 and d is equals to minus 1. Now find what? A10. Therefore A10, which is equals to what we can write the answer as A10, or what we can write this one as a expanded form, A plus 90. So which is equals to A, how much is there? 17 plus D into 9 into D, how much is there? Minus 1. So 70 minus 9, so which is equals to, what is the answer? A. Therefore A10 value is how much? A. So this is about question number 4. We'll see the next question. Let us see next question, that fifth one. Given D equals to 5, S9 equals to 75. D equals to 5, S9 is equals to 75. Find A and A9. Find A and A9. So as like the fourth question only. So solve this one also. So here now S9. What we can write? So S9 which is equals to 75. S9 means n equals to 9. Wherever n is there, substitute n equals to 9 in the Sn formula. That is 9 by 2 into 2a plus n. 9 minus 1 into d, which is equals to 75. So by using this, find a and again find a9. So 9 by 2, 2a plus 9 minus 1, 8d, which is equals to 75. So next, 9 by 2, what is there in these two common? 2 is the common, take that. So what will remain? A plus 4d, which is equals to 75. So now 2 ones get cancelled. So what will get the answer? A plus 4d, which is equals to 75 by 9. That is a plus 4d is equals to 3 3s are 3 2s are 6, 1 remain 5 15, 3 5s are means 25 by 3. A plus 4d equals to 25 by 3. Now substitute the value of d here. What do we get? See, therefore a plus 4 into d value is 5, which is equals to 25 by 3. So a, which is equals to 25 by 3, 4 5s are 20, take them to the other side, that will become negative, minus 20. So a is equals to, what is the LCM here? 3. So 3 1s are 1 3s are 25 minus 23s are 60. So what will get the answer now? 25 minus 60 minus 35 by 3. So a value is what? Minus 35 by 3. Now what we need to find? A9. Therefore A9 is equal to what we can write? A plus 8d. A how much is there? Minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into d value is 5. So minus 35 by 3 plus 8 5s are 40. So take the LCM is 3. 3 1s are 1 3s are. So minus 35 plus 43s are 120. So what you will get the answer now here? So that is 120 minus 35. So you will get how much answer? 85 divided by 3. So sorry, how much will you get? 20 15. Okay, right. 85 divided by 3. So A9 equals to how much? 85 by 3, and A is equals to minus 35 by 3. So this is about question number 5. We'll see the next question. Let us see next question, sixth one. Given A equals to 2, next D equals to 8, Sn equals to 90, find N and An. Sn equals to 90, find N and An. So now A they are given, D they are given, Sn they are given, find N now using the Sn formula. So what we can write now? Solution Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn how much they are given? 90, which is equals to n. We need to find, so into 2a 2 plus n minus 1 into d, how much they are given? 8 90, which is equals to n by 2 into. So directly you can take here 2 common. See, if you take 2 common, what will remain? 2 plus n minus 1 into 4. So here 2 ones and 2 ones get cancelled. So 90, which is equals to n into 2 plus 4 into n, 4n minus 4 into 1, 4. So 90, which is equals to, so n into bracket 4n, 2 minus 4. What do you get the answer? Minus 2. So therefore 90, which is equals to, multiply this one now, 4n square minus 2n. So now take 90 to the RHS. What do you get? 4n square minus 2n minus 90, which is equals to 0. So what is there in all these common? So 2 it is common there. Take that one outside. What do you get? 2n square minus n minus 45, which is equals to 0. So take 2 to the RHS, that will become 0 by 2. 0 by 2 means 0. So what do you get now? Here 2n square minus n minus 45, which is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in n. So coefficient of n square is 2. First multiply the coefficient of n square and constant term. What you will get? Minus 90. Now find the two numbers such that if you multiply you should get minus 90, and if you subtract you should get minus 1. What are the two numbers? That is minus 10 plus 9. If you multiply minus 10 into 9 you will get minus 90, and if you subtract you will get minus 1. So therefore now solve this. 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equals to 0. So now what is there in these two common now? 2n. So n minus 5 plus, in these two common is 9, n minus 5, which is equals to 0. So what is there in these two common now? N minus 5. What will remain? 2n plus 9, which is equals to 0. So either here n minus 5 equals to 0 or 2n plus 9 equals to 0. So either n is equals to 5 or 2n is equals to minus 9 and n is equals to minus 9 by 2. So you got n value as 2. One is 5 and another one is minus 9 by 2. In that, which one is correct answer? The n means terms. Terms are always positive integer. So n is equals to 5 is the right answer. That is wrong. So write that. Since terms are always positive integer, therefore n is equals to 5. It is right answer. So n is equals to, you got that word 5. Next what we need to find? An. So use that an formula. You will get that one an value. Now an is equals to, so a plus n minus 1 into d. A how much they are given? 2 plus n how much you got? 5 minus 1 into d how much is there? 8. So which is equals to, so 2 plus 5 minus 1, 4. 4 8s are 32. So 2 plus 32, how much you will get? 34. Therefore, n is equals to 5 and an is equals to 34. So this is about what? Question number 6. So say the next question. Okay, dear students, let us try to solve the remaining questions of exercise 5.3. We will continue in the next class.